Hi, fifth graders! Today I will be teaching you a lesson about chemical and physical changes. I have a graphic organizer for you guys to fill out while I do an experiment. So, the graphic organizer looks like this, and you will be comparing physical changes to a piece of paper and chemical changes to a piece of paper. A physical change is when a substance or material is changed into a different substance or material with different properties. No new particles form, and materials stay the same. This may be reversed. A chemical change is a visible change in matter without forming a different kind of matter. One or more new particles form, and a new substance or material is formed. This is typically not reversible. So this is the difference between physical and chemical changes, and while I do my experiment, I want you to fill out this graphic organizer. Hi, fifth graders! My name is Miss Dalke, and today I'll be doing a short little experiment with you guys today about physical and chemical changes. Who can identify this piece of matter for me? Does anyone say that it's paper? You're right, it's paper. Now that we've identified this type of matter, what are some ways that we can change this piece of paper? We could bend it. We could fold it. How else could we change it? Pause this video right now and write down ways that we could change this piece of paper. Alright, what other ideas did you come up with? Did you come up with tearing it? You can tear the piece of paper. We can write on it, right? And write on the piece of paper. We can shred the paper, completely shred it. We can make all these changes to the paper, but do we still have paper? Do we still have the matter of paper? I ask this because I want you guys to recognize that the paper's shape and size has changed, but I still have paper, and it could somewhat be reversible. We maybe couldn't put these pieces of paper back together, but we could unfold it. Is there any way else that we could change this paper? We could burn it. What do you think would happen if we burn this paper? Right now, I have a lighter and part of this piece of paper, and I'm gonna burn it. But I do not want you guys to do this at home because it is a fire hazard, and I don't want you guys to start anything on fire in your house. It's kind of dangerous, so if you're going to be doing this experiment, I'd like you to do it with an adult, someone that can be watching you do it and helping you through it. Please don't do this experiment without permission. Alright, so I'm going to burn the paper now, and I have a cup of water right here so that I can put it in there right away. What do you see? What do you notice about the paper now? What's happening to it? So what can you see now? Is there a change made to this paper now? Did the shape, size, and texture change because of burning the paper? With the first set of changes to the paper, bending, folding, ripping, we still have paper, and we could reverse it and put it back together. But what about the burned paper? Can we do that? Can we put the burned paper back together now? Why or why not? Is there something new about this paper? I think there's something new, and it's black now instead of white. I want you to recognize that burned paper has a new substance on it, and when a new substance is created as a result of the changes made, that means that it's a chemical change. I hope you got your graphic organizer filled out between the physical and chemical changes that I just did to that piece of paper. Thank you for letting me do this experiment with you guys. I had a lot of fun. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.